Hello, Meowvelous cuties. Today is Wednesday, May 6th. You can go ahead and solve the riddles below. Tell someone at home your favorite type of cat, pet, tiger, lion, puma. There is also some cat yoga for you today. Today we will be moving on to lesson 7.10 in math. There are 2 journal pages that you need and an exit slip to complete. For reading, you're going to be recording yourself reading one of your resources for your tribes in your best narrative nonfiction voice. In writing, you're going to be synthesizing some of the notes that you've been taking about your subtopics this week. And then, of course, there's chapter 3 for Who Was Sacagawea, and you can start your TP craft project today if you'd like. Spirit Week, today is way back Wednesday. Dress up from a different decade. 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, whatever you want. Social studies, there's a video on the Louisiana Purchase. This is a big reason why Lewis and Clark are going on this expedition and why Sacagawea became so important. So you might be helpful to understand what's happening by watching that video. And then you can listen to chapter 3 for Sacagawea and some of the hardships that Lewis and Clark and Sacagawea struggled with when they first set out. For reading, you're going to watch this video today. It's going to teach you how to use your voices to read like a nonfiction reader. You're to pop out keywords, show when they move to a new topic, create drama and tension, to storytell, and to help listeners create mental models. You're going to pick a book or one of the resource links that you have already read. Okay, again, the books are on Epic and the resource links are linked to the next slide. Once you have watched the teacher video, picked your book and practiced, you're going to read a portion out loud on Flipgrid in your best narrative voice so that I can get a better idea of how you're reading. Again, all of the links that you need to any of the articles are linked here, or you can use the Epic class code to read some of the books. In writing today, you're going to review the teacher video on what it means to synthesize, and then you're going to synthesize your own notes. You're going to do this either on paper at home or using the template on Google Classroom that looks like this. One resource said, another resource said, and this fits together because. Here are my samples for the Lenape. I gave you 2. One is focused more on the location of the Lenni Lenape, and the other is focused more on the deerskin and some of the resources that the tribe had. For math, again, you need to make sure you print these pages out first. You also need to make sure you have your fraction number line poster. You used this a few weeks ago, and I did email many of your parents to say to hold on to it, put it in your PAL. But please make sure you have a copy of that. I will upload it to Google Classroom just in case you need another copy. You also are going to need your fraction bars and fraction circles, which again can be found on ConnectEd. Please watch lesson 7.10 and you're going to follow along to complete your math journal pages with the video and then finish with an exit slip. Science, you still have your optional volcano activities followed by Mother's Day ideas. Remember, Mother's Day is this Sunday, so please make them something special. You can come up with adjectives to describe them. You can just make something pretty and decorative. You can make a card, a poem, find your favorite photo with mom, but please do something special for them. And then if you need, there are a bunch of early finisher activities for those of you who need or want something a little extra to do. Okay, I'm here all day if you have questions. Good luck.